Good evening and welcome to the Trade Exchange Market Wrap-Up for Friday, October 16th, 2015. We are built for traders by traders. We're an actionable news service providing real-time information for traders and active investors. Let's take a look at the activity for the day. S&P 500 higher by 0.46%. The rest of the indices, Dow Jones higher, NASDAQ higher, FTSE higher as well. West Texas Intermediate crude at $47.26, gold $1177.3, silver $16.03. 10-year yield at 2.03%, DXY the dollar index at 94.730. For Monday, we are expecting housing market index at 10 a.m. Also for Monday's earnings before the market, we're expecting HPC, HAL, HAS, to name a few. Do check the Trade Exchange Forum and Feed services for a full listing. After markets, we're expecting BMI, CCK, CE, FLEX, to name a few. And again, check the forum and feed for additional information on earnings for Monday. Top upgrades and downgrades, LU, upgrade to outperform at Credit Suisse, that's from the morning. BLOX upgraded to a buy at Stern. PPG upgraded to buy at UBS. On the downgrade side, OLED downgraded to neutral at Goldman Sachs. EIX downgraded to hold at Jefferies. DISCA downgraded to equal weight at Barclays. Reviewing highlighted option activity, we do have DRI, which we'll mention in a moment. VRX, October weekly, 180 call activity, over 2,600 contracts at $7 on the offer. ESRX, October weekly call activity as well. Remember, when you're buying calls on the offer, it tends to be a bullish sentiment. DRI call option activity from 11:02. Want to highlight that. DRI November 75 call activity, over 2,500 contracts at 25 cents. Reviewing highlighted filings, CAPL, which we'll show in a moment, had two lots of 10,000 shares by 10% owners CST brands. One lot of $25.80 and another lot of $25.88. EDGE's SC13D filing by Venrock Healthcare Capital, 7.2%. CAPL, want to show you the chart of that, 302, CAPL, 10% owner, again two lots of 10,000 shares at 3:02 in the afternoon. On the merger and risk arbitrage, we did have SFXC from the morning and YOKU and BABA. BAPA, makes non-binding proposals to acquire outstanding shares of Yokotsudu. YOKU proposed at $26.6 per share. That's a 30% premium of yesterday's close. Again, that's at YOKU and BABA. So what does the Trade Exchange do? We do provide large and unusual option activity, insider filings, company filings, smart filter, social media news, technical analysis updates, level alerts, volatility and volume alerts. We do provide this using the Trade Exchange Forum, Trade Exchange Live Feed, and Squawk Audio services. We do have an interactive news desk to answer your questions. We encourage you to reach out to us via the web at www.thetradeexchange.com, email thetradeexchange@thetradeexchange.com, also online and over the phone, 203-939-1250. Once again, folks, thanks for joining us this week. This has been the Trade Exchange Market Wrap-Up Friday, October 16, 2015. We are an actionable news service providing real-time information for traders and active investors. We are built for traders by traders. Folks, thanks for listening. Wishing you a great weekend. See you on Monday.